What's up, guys? We're here at home and we're about to go out to have a really cool day. We're going to a pumpkin patch in New Mexico. It's like 45-minute drive, so it should be a really cool and fun day. I heard really good stuff about it, so I'll bring you along so you can enjoy it with us. Bye. Okay, guys, here we go. Puppy hasn't backed up yet. Check out the dope yellow tints Puppy got me. Woo! We're here with Puppy. We parked the Beast. This is the parking lot. Well, the extra parking lot. So we're gonna make this some fun, memorable times. Bye!
Sign or a signal. I go without everything I can think of. Into symbol the code in your jacket and the remnants of a cigarette
Yes.
Where's the main maze?
I'm not sure. We'll figure it out. What's up, guys? We're here at the Union Maze. We got our bands, VIP. Just kidding. Everybody's got them. It's just blue. And we're here trying to find the maze. We don't really know where to go, but we're gonna make it happen.
Oh, there it is.
He found it.
Fairy Tale Trail, I think.
Let's get it.
I'm not sure if that's the main one.
Guys, check out this truck. It has a tree growing in the middle of it. Isn't that neat? See? Woo. Here's hubby and his hubby face.
Whoa.
So there's this map. They're butterflies, if you can see. This is the maze that we're in. We're trying to find our way out, but Hubby, as usual. He's leading the way, so it's gonna take a little longer than what it should be.
Take a little longer. You don't have any idea where we are.
I found a pole, number 2.
Which doesn't mean anything. That's what I got. No, don't go back that way.
Oh gosh.
I have faith.
This is fun.
Where's the people that are supposed to help you? We're on our own out here.
Yeah, we were told that there's gonna be corn police, corn cops. So if you got lost, they would help you out. But we don't see anybody.
No corn police anywhere to be found.
I think we're left here
To die.
to die. No! Okay guys, so we went in through maze 1 and we ended up coming out of maze 2. This was gnarly.
Super gnarly.
I think we just gave up and like, let's just go out through wherever.
Give up on life.
At least we find our way out, so that's progress. Big slide, La Union Maze. We're gonna go in this big slide because we're kids at heart. We got our sacks, ready to go. I could do 2 at a time. Let's do it. Alright guys, this is it.
It's a big moment. Any day now.
There they go, it's our turn.
Sick. I'm gonna beat you down.
Well, yeah, because you're fat.
Yeah. You already know.
Alright, don't go yet. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2. Hey, you cheated! Woo!
That's freaking sweet. Let's go for the blue one.
Oh god. Going to the pumpkin patch.
This is a pumpkin patch.
Okay guys, we made it to the pumpkin patch. Take a look. We get dropped off by the cool transportation into this awesome pumpkin patch. It's huge, guys. It goes all the way to the other side. So now, let's pick our pumpkin.